assessment asks us to predict the product of this reaction sequence. The first step involves the reaction of the alkyl halide with sodium cyanide and THF. That's an SN2 reaction, and we'll convert the alkyl halide into a nitrile. We have our benzene ring with our 2-carbon chain, and attached to that we have the nitrile. Now, this is important. That takes this 2-carbon chain and adds a carbon, turning it into a 3-carbon chain. That's going to be very important when we draw the product of this reaction sequence. The next two steps are really combined. It's a reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. Those go together. And the lithium aluminum hydride reduction of a nitrile converts the nitrile into an amine. So we have our benzene ring with our 3-carbon chain, and attached to that 3rd carbon, we have an amine. This amine is the product of this reaction sequence.